Hello friends, hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be Build Something Wednesdays. So, I'm trying to bring a little bit of variety to my channel. So, trying to, do a bunch of these stuff. Friday, like Wednesdays, I have dedicated to build something. So, what I'm going to do is like we are just going to open up maybe Unity, maybe Cursor AI or something, and try to build something. Basically, just I wanted to have this session so that I could probably build something while I'm on live stream, and who knows if it works out, we might also publish it. But most of these sessions, most of these Wednesdays are just going to be completely experimental with not the intent of actually, shipping something, but really building something cool. And if it becomes like a good product, then why not? We can ship that too. But first of all, I will say hello to each and every one of you guys. So Rahul Jetwani, hello. Inspiro, hello. Yash Katre, hello. Nitin Saxena, hello. Rahat Fatama, hello. Bhanu Place, hello. One Rider, hello. Shui 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 Oju Shem, hello to you too. Whatever your name is, however you pronounce it. Dynamite Gaming, hello. Pranav Agarwal, hello. Swishi205, hello. Inspiro, tell us about Mumbai Gullies. I've already made a video recently. What the hell is happening with Mumbai Gullies? So you can check that out. I think that should be enough for me to tell you about Mumbai Gullies. I don't have anything else to say. And it's the same thing for everyone else as well. I might as well just, pin that link of that video. Otherwise, I'm pretty sure I'll keep on getting the same questions over and over again. And I'm pretty sure even if I do pin that, there is still going to interested. Gotta see that video. Yeah. Check that video out. It's basically 19-minute 13 seconds long video, pretty long video. It'll give you an idea of what the hell is going on with Mumbai Gillies. Make a 2D platformer game like Happy Hills. Let's see what Happy Hills is. Happy Hills Homicide. My god, what the hell is this game? Let me share my screen as well. मला लागली कोणाची उचकी. Huh, okay, Happy Hills. Sorry, man. Okay. I don't know, guys. What should we build today? Like, I'm just thinking. I've built a couple of games. I just want to. Sorry about that. I just want to make something very cool today. Should we create a platformer? Should we create a? I don't know. Let's see what this game is about. I'm terrified of clowns, man. I'm just so terrified of clowns. RPG. I would love to make an RPG actually. I think that should be cool. Let's take help of GPT. So we are gonna just use like a bunch of AI tools to make this. All right. So I am feeling like making a small RPG game. I have about 1 hour of time. I will be using Cursor AI to speed up development, but just give me ideas on what kind of a simple RPG game I can make. Lord Amara, the story is complete, yes. Okay, one room dungeon RPG. Okay, guys, so you guys can help me select which option. I will actually start a poll. This is going to be super fun, guys. I mean, I think I will be keeping this as a regular. So every Wednesdays we will be building something. So let me actually type down all these options for you guys. Dungeon RPG. Uh, which game should we make? One room dungeon RPG, uh, village helper RPG, boss rush mini RPG, dialogue driven RPG. No, I'll just go with, I don't know. I'm not too excited with the dialogue driven RPG, but since it's an option, I think I can just do four options. So I might as well just pick tiny survival RPG. Okay, so I'm starting this poll, guys, and you can read in front of you what all these options are. So there is one room dungeon RPG. Core loop is enter a dungeon room, fight a random enemy, turn based, simple stats, gain XP, repeat. Progression: after each fight, choose heal, upgrade attack, or upgrade defense. Win condition: survive 5 rooms to escape. Why simple? No world building, just a combat plus upgrade loop. Okay. Then there's a village helper RPG. You're a villager who takes quests for NPCs. NPCs give simple fetch or kill quests. Progression: player earns points, buys one new weapon or armor upgrade. Win condition: complete 3 to 4 quests. Mostly dialogue or 1 or 2 combat interaction. Then there's Boss Rush Mini RPG. Skip the grind, just fight bosses one after the other. This sounds very interesting actually. And I think majority of people have voted for Boss Rush Mini RPG only. Uh, Turn-based battle with very basic skills: attack, defend, heal. All right. And what else? Tiny survival RPG. You wake up in a strand. You wake up stranded in a forest. Each turn, choose forage, get food, rest, recover health, or fight, risk injury but gain loot. Collect enough food to survive 5 days. Win condition: survive until rescue comes. Why simple? Just resource management with minimal assets. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna let you guys. Can you zoom in? It's hard to read. Okay, I have zoomed in. You guys can, like, I will give you guys 10 seconds for reading each of them. Okay, so actually I will wait for 1 minute. Let me start a countdown timer. Okay, I'm starting this timer, and after 1 minute is done, I will end the poll, and then we can get started. Okay, so 10 seconds done for this. Okay, you guys can read it. 10 seconds done for this. 10 seconds for this now. Okay, done. And then finally, tiny survival RPG. 10 seconds I will keep for this. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys have read all of that, and 10 seconds remaining to decide on a poll. I still think Boss Rush Mini RPG is leading with about what, 32 votes. Okay, so the timer is done, timer is out. You might have heard the notification. I'm gonna end the poll now. We got a total of 33 votes. Abrar, hello. We are actually building something today, so this is going to be a lot of fun. I ended the poll, but I don't know why the results were not posted. So Boss Rush Mini RPG got the most amount of comments, most amount of votes. So we will be building that. All right. So let's get started. So, all right. So I like Boss Rush Mini RPG. Let's build that. Okay, and then what I will do is I will start Unity. We're going to use Unity to build this game. What assets will you be using for the 1 hour quick game? I think I will be using assets from Kenny Game Jam, Kenny Game Assets. Let's call this Boss Rush Mini RPG. And don't connect to Unity Cloud. We'll just use 3D built-in render pipeline. I'll create this, and let's go to Kenny, Kenny assets. Hmm, there will be, let's see what GPT types up. Alright, let's ship a tiny boss rush mini RPG. Here's a super scope plan with drop in scripts. You can paste into cursor and write up fast. I think I'll just do this separately. I just need like a design document. This just it's just basically creating the entire thing. Kenny prototype textures, you guys know. Oh yeah, Kenny assets are pretty good. Mm, what we'll do is we'll pick up a few. Okay, I like this dungeon kit, so I'll pick this. Right, I like this dungeon kit. What was the idea? Uh, Turn-based battle with very basic skills: attack, defend, heal. Beat boss, upgrade one stat. Next boss is harder. Defeat the final boss. Okay, just give me a game design document, man. Give me a game design document with a simple prototype to create along with instructions. I am I have a basic dungeon 3D asset for the level, and I will have a few characters that I will use from Kenny. Let's see what भाई game बना रहे हो क्या? Yes, I'm making a game right now. Okay, so this is a concept: a small scale RPG prototype where player ventures into a dungeon, fights a sequence of bosses. The focus is fast combat loops and light RPG progression. Genre, blah blah blah. Core game loop: explore, spawn, dungeon room, boss spawns. Player has three actions: attack, defend, heal. 1x per fight. Win is pick one upgrade: attack, defense. Okay, so attack, defense, and HP. Every time there will be an upgrade, 1 point for each of these values. So you have to balance out everything. Repeat for 3 to 5 bosses. Final boss defeated, victory, player dies, game over. Okay. All right. Hmm. Okay. So we have that, and then we can what some characters. Hmm. I like these blocky characters. In fact, I had just downloaded these. I will use those, and then we have modular dungeon, right? Okay. So I have these. Extract all. Let's set up our Unity project folder. I will create a new models folder, and I will say create one folder for dungeon, and I will create one for characters, and let's drag and drop our dungeon kit into here. AK, you can take a look at the pinned chat. I have mentioned about mobile release over there, and our characters over here, like so. Now, the next thing that I will do is I will take cursor. Firstly, I will take this path of this folder. All right, and let's start cursor. For those of you who remember, we had built a quick, interesting Minecraft clone back then. So if I think it was in one of the streams last month. That was also super cool. Okay, so analyze this project folder, and we are going to work on this project folder for a mini boss rush RPG game. So I'll just let cursor familiarize itself with the project environment, right? And meanwhile, while that happens, I will go back to GPT and I will say, all right, now I have my Unity project structure folder as assets for dungeon and characters. I want you to write a detailed implementation uh, document so I can feed the instruction to cursor AI and it can analyze the project folder. I have I'm just writing it down. Okay, I've placed uh, dungeon and characters in assets slash models folder. Let me see the project folder dungeon. So I want you to tell cursor AI to first analyze these folders and pick or suggest what can be used. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Okay, Hollow Knight. I haven't played Hollow Knight yet. I have been recommended by a lot of people. I think Hollow Knight Silk Road is releasing now, right? Let's check Hollow Knight Silk Song. Sorry, not Silk Road. I don't know why I said Silk Road. Hollow Knight Silk Song on Steam. I will be checking this out very soon. Maybe in one of the gaming streams we can. Sure, why not? Guys, 10 के बाद गेम डिजाइन कोर्स है क्या? 10 के बाद गेम डिजाइन कोर्स लिखा हो तो इनफैक्ट आई एम माई सेल्फ टेकिंग अ कोर्स ऑन गेम डेवलपमेंट, end to end game development, so you can check that out. The link is in the description itself. Okay, so oh yeah, this was the older one. Never mind. Okay, so it has already identified stuff from our project folder. I hope it has not done anything. All right. Okay, so let's just take this entire implementation and let's Silk Road. Yeah, Silk Road. Yeah, that's what I got confused. Silk Road is like Pokemon. Yeah. But anyway, guys, how are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys enjoy this process. Like the entire, uh, you know, goal with this stream is just to basically have fun. I'm riddled with a lot of work throughout the day, so this is my time wherein I get to, uh, you know, relax myself. This is also basically work for me because, uh, you know, my live streams and all help my business as well, but I don't feel like this is work, right? I just feel I like interacting with you guys. I love talking with you guys. I like building stuff. So yeah. Okay, so I think the implementation document is wow, it is still writing this. But guys, like imagine back in the days when all of this was not there, everything had to be done from scratch. So like it's just so fascinating that we are able to do this. So here's what I'm going to do. I will take this entire thing into a blank document first, because just copy pasting this like this will probably not be the best outcome. But let's see. It has written a lot. It has written so much. I hope it will create like prefabs and all for me with this. But whatever, I mean, let's see. Okay, so I'm taking this entire thing and copy pasting this into a document. uh, okay, and let me just go all the way to the top and remove the first. Okay, I will download this as a docx file, and then I will feed this docx file to cursor. What happened? Files and folders. Okay, I don't think it's going to work for that. So maybe I'll just simply copy paste the entire thing. I don't know what this is going to do, but let's just give it a try. It's strange why this drag and drop thing didn't work. But guys, this is magic now. This is magic. Which software is using for code? So right now I'm using Cursor AI, which is like an AI agent that helps me do everything. What are your thoughts about AI Fiesta by Dhruv Rathi? So, Mr. Sigma, like I've read like bunch of stuff online about AI Fiesta. In fact, I have downloaded AI Fiesta as well. Um it's all right, but I prefer using one AI. Like if I'm using ChatGPT, I don't particularly want to use any other AI. Uh, so I don't know. I don't know. I mean, see, the use case is there for sure, and I think the value addition is you're getting these three AIs at the price of one, which is fine, but I think I'm okay with using just one. Harsh Agarwal says, "Hi bro, just curious to know, are you working somewhere currently?" So Harsh, I have my own studio actually. It's called Game On Studios. We're a game development company based in the city of Mumbai. So it's my own company. Uh, all right. So what else, guys? What are you guys up to? Wow, there are 45 likes today, and I didn't even have to ask you guys to hit the like button. That's so cool, yeah. Thank you so much, Harshit. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate all these kind gestures and words. My dream is to become a game dev. How do I proceed? I'm a CSE in first year. So Inspiro, basically what you need to do is you just start making games. Just literally start making games. Make some basic games. Go online, find tutorials, implement stuff, ship out games. Now, a lot of people think that I haven't made any games in the past. That's not true. I have actually worked on almost 150 plus games. So that's the reason why, I know nuances and I know where I will get stuck and I know how to come out of it. Now, of course, like bigger projects take a longer time. So obviously that's a different story altogether. But I think you should just start making games. Another very interesting suggestion given by Glassy Studio over here is participate in game jams. Now, what are game jams? Game jams are essentially these small events that are hosted in a very short period of time. You're given 48 hours, 72 hours or so, and within that time period, you have to develop your own game. So it teaches you the entire process in a very compressed manner, and I think that's of great value. How does one get into publishing company? So it's about having a good hold on marketing. That's pretty much it. Really entertaining. Thanks, Nikhil. Best of luck for your game. Hyperduck, thank you so much, buddy. Thanks a lot. Mm. I'm currently a student. I love seeing live streams like this. That's like just look at this, guys. Why aren't we seeing office vlogs? So Abrar, currently we are actually working from home for a while, and our office per se will be resuming from next month. We're in the middle of like shifting stuff, so that's why no office vlogs. And I mean, particularly like I've stopped doing office vlogs because it kind of disturbs the work environment and I mean, it's not really much of value in the office blogs as such, because like certain discussions are confidential, which can't be shared, and I just like it's basically like brings no value as such beyond me just putting out content, and then eventually it just becomes a tedious task. So I don't want to like do that just for the sake of it. Maybe someday I will, but I think right now we're just happy with what we are at. Adamya Gupta says, while starting out, is it better to make games on your own or from scratch, or should you use stuff like Cursor right from the beginning phases? Adam, absolutely not. Do not use cursor right from the beginning phases. Do use your own intellect and knowledge, and go ahead and check out like online tutorials. But do not use cursor or AI tools at the very beginning, because then your foundational knowledge will get hampered. Okay, now this is still under progress. As you can see, it's about 24% done. But just look at how cool this is here. I mean, I can basically just sit back, give this instructions, and it will create stuff for me. Oh, we have consumed 24% of our tokens. Oh my God, that's a lot. That's a lot, guys. So, okay, while I'm doing this for entertainment purposes, these are actual real tokens that are being used. So, I actually have to like pay for these plans. So, okay, let's see what's happened. Oh, what? It didn't do anything. Okay, all right, implement all this for me. It's strange, it didn't do anything. Wow. Our tools let us use how to generating. All right, so I don't know what's going on. All right, so what I was saying was, guys, I'm using Cursor AI to build this game, but it consumes tokens. So while I don't particularly like asking for super chats and all, but if at all you can, it will help me like pay for extended amount of the plan whatever I'm using. Although I'm just doing this so that, oh, it has like to-do list and all. It's doing all of that. So up to you guys. I'm not forcing any one of you guys, but it's just like it would be helpful. That's about it. Yash Khatri, sorry I missed your chat. You're upset on me. Can you just please rewrite it? Remember that day when some foreigners like Jabi Koi reacted to Mumbai's gameplay reveal video? It really amazed me that time. I was like, wow, this game already reached the foreign audience. Yeah, I remember that. In fact, Jabi is still in contact with me. So yeah, it's all good here. Is it even doing something? I'm just concerned now if it's. Oh, wow, so much for nothing. Actually, you know what? I don't think this is happening properly. Let's try and okay. All right. So let's observe this first. All right. Step one. Let's go one by one. Okay. It has given us instructions. Project setup. Blah blah blah. Okay. Import your 3D dungeon assets. Let's create a small level first. Okay. Let's go to models, dungeon, models, FBX format. We have a couple of templates over here. So I like, okay, this looks good. Let me just add like a mesh collider to this, and let's see if we are able to add any characters to this. I think this is fine. I could use a character controller. Okay, add a character controller or simple capsule collider. Script player controller.cs. Give me, I think it had already created that on top, so we can just pick it up from here. Maybe battle system. No, not battle system. No, it didn't. Help me. Okay, I think I can just, I mean, if I'm just using cursor, then why should I rely on ChatGPT? Alright, so help me create a player controller script. Let me give it a small something about the game itself at least. Never mind. Let's see. I hope it creates the player controller script. I mean, it was working. It was working for me earlier. I don't know why it's not working anymore. Do you have Discord? Yes, I do have a Discord. It is mentioned, the Discord server link is mentioned in the description. You can just check it out and you can scroll all the way down. Why is it acting so dumb today? I don't know. Is it because I have not updated the cursor yet? Who knows? Like you guys remember, whoever was there in the last stream, we created so many stuff. We created like a full-fledged Minecraft game. Minecraft means no man meets No Man's Sky. Okay, implement. Is it creating that? It's strange. It's actually pretty strange. Let's just wait. What are your thoughts on Hollow Knight Silk Song? Are you excited? I haven't seen it yet, so I just need to see it and then I can make my opinion on it. Give cursor some time, it will do everything. Okay, if you're saying so, the brown kid, I'll just wait for it to finish. I'm excited for the automated LODs coming in Unity. Oh, is it? Wow. Maybe try restarting the program. Or maybe I should restart Unity. Okay, I hope it I hope it works. I don't know why this is happening. It is implementing all of these things. I can see that it is doing its job, but then it's not. I'll create assets with rigid body based optional input system support. Wow, did I just break cursor? Is cursor upset with me? Why is it upset with me? Actually, you know what I can do? I can basically just go and uh, maybe I can just build a new folder. New folder. And I can start new cursor document over here. Instead of making this in Unity, let's just make an HTML5 version. Alright, so it's becoming too complex to build this in Unity. Just help me make a simple HTML5 game implementation. I will keep the models folders in a fresh new folder. Okay, let's see. What keyboard do I use? This is a Red Dragon something something. I don't know. I mean, one second. I will try to show you guys. Uh, this keyboard. It's nice. It has like light effects and all. Actually, you know what? Let me do this. Okay, this is my keyboard, and I like this. I love this. I really love this. The best part is that I can press any keys over here, and the light comes from wherever I'm pressing the button. I love this keyboard. I absolutely love this keyboard. I don't know what model this is though. It's a Red Dragon. Let us see if actually let me if you guys are interested in buying this exact keyboard, let me see if I can, because there is now YouTube shopping option available, right? Red Dragon keyboard. Let me see if I can link that over here. Hmm, Red Dragon keyboard. This is a. I think it's this one. I have updated the keyboard link in the shopping section, so you can just check it out. Like, I think if you refresh this stream, you will get that keyboard ka thing. Okay, anyway, so I was thinking that maybe Unity is not doing its job properly, or maybe Cursor is not doing its job properly. So we are switching to HTML5. Oh wow, it created the script. Ah, finally it created the script. Okay. Oh, fantastic! It created a script and it also created like a compulsory component in it. Does it have a capsule collider? I don't think it has a capsule collider though. Okay, never mind. What we will do now is we will take both of these. Let me do one thing. I will take this entire models folder and I will copy paste this inside our new folder that we created. Okay, here. And now, okay, all right. So analyze this folder and see what contents there are. I am keen on the models folder where FPX files are located. Alright, Unity 6 crash issue. I don't think it's crashing as such, it's just, let's test this now. We have a camera over here. This should fall down and it should like go, what the heck? This automatically got disabled. Use gravity got disabled. I think it has got to do something in the player controller script. Gravity. Use gravity is false. Why? Constraint for top down. Constraint for top down. No, I don't want this. Let's add capsule collider. Let's see if it is aligned properly. No, it's not. Let's make it a bit up, like this, and height we can increase so that it matches our character. I think this is a decent height. Let's test this. Destroyer R12, thank you so much. You have changed ChatGPT plus version or free version? I am using plus version. Okay, so we have a character controller working. Okay, so this is wow, wow. Okay, I need to add constraints. Constraints in rotation. I can just basically freeze all rotation because my rotation is happening through keyboard inputs, right? So it doesn't matter. It will just help me with this part. Does it jump? The character is not jumping. But I think that's fine. I think cursor got a bit scared and it already made all the files. But I'm just curious to see what cursor will do if we prompt it to make an HTML. Oh, whoa. GPT itself made an HTML version for me. I just gave it a prompt to make boss rush. What is this? Oh no. Oh, it created a very dumbed down version. Never mind. Okay. I will do this myself. Chuck it. Okay. So we are building a mini boss rush RPG game. Idea is to spawn a boss in a new dungeon. Idea is to for our player to enter the dungeon, then boss spawns. It is a turn-based RPG game. wherein we have option to either select attack, defend, or heal. Boss will have certain HP we need to defeat, and with each defeated boss, the next boss will be stronger. And then I will go and quickly read about the values that were given. So I will copy paste those very quickly. I think I had read them over here somewhere. Where was that? Where was that? Where was that? Yeah, okay. Progression and endgame. I think I can just use this. Okay. For all the assets, you are free to choose from the ones provided. So now build using appropriate tech stack, and that can handle 3D game rendering for HTML5. Alright, whole design doc to cursor. I did give the whole design doc, but I don't know, it wasn't reading it properly. So I have pasted like bits and pieces, right? Alright. Lol, the character is enjoying the stream too much. I mean, it did build a decent character controller in Unity. Now let's see what we can do. Alright, so now help me create. Okay, so now help me create a script and a boss control along with turn-based mechanics that can implement the gameplay for me. Boss spawning will be triggered when I enter a dungeon. So I will be placing invisible triggers in the scene, and then just fight them on entering. Let's see what this does. What is the price for cursor? Yeah, it really depends on the plan which you are on. So if I were to show you my cursor plan, or if I were to show you the pricing, I can directly show you the pricing actually. So the base version is free. Then you can get a pro version at $20 a month, or the ultra version at $200 a month. I am right now at the $20 per month plan, and I haven't paid yearly. I've just paid monthly. If you pay yearly, like at one shot, then effective price you get is for $16 a month, which is what? How much? 16 into 12, $192. So, like at the price of Ultra, you get like a yearly plan. But I find it very valuable. It's pretty good. Let's see what this does. And at the same time, our Boss Rush Mini RPG HTML5 version is also being built. King Boy says, you're making Mumiglis in Unreal Engine 5, but I know till now that it is hard to optimize and there are jittering issues with Mafia games. At least you'll be able to fix that now. So the good part is that we are working with an external team that is based out of India, and they've built a bunch of games, and even the best of the teams actually come across this issue of optimization and all, right? So yeah, we will try our best, but there are certain things that happen, as you see, like right, Mafia also has some issues, so there might be some issues in our game as well. It's too early to comment whether it will be all perfect or not, but yeah. Yash Katrej is just typing that pissed off emoji. Yash, I hope you understand, I'm just writing stuff and building stuff as well. So I'm sorry to disappoint you, but yeah, I'm just building stuff. But this looks so cool, right, guys? I mean, I just feel like a genius while using Cursor AI, and I know that I'm not, but yeah, are you using freelancers from Middle East? Not anymore. We have like a good enough team of both internal and external people, so we're not using freelancers anymore. Javed Tadavi says, I just uploaded my game on Play Store. Can I run ads to promote? You absolutely can, and I think you absolutely should, because advertisement is something that is really needed to build an audience for your game, and especially in days like times like today, when distribution is everything, you should absolutely capitalize on advertising your games. What is your opinion on Age of Bharat? I love it. I love the effort. Anything and everything that is taking effort to build something from India should be supported. Uh, like till the point of time we haven't seen the output. I think the least we can do is just show support. I really don't like the fact that we are dissing on products that are not even released. It's stupid. It's stupid to do that. It's genuinely stupid. I mean, of course, you are entitled to your opinion once you see the end product. If you don't like it, of course, that is your choice, and that is your right as a consumer. But if something is under development and you're just terming it X, Y, Z, whatever, good or bad, just doesn't make sense. I know a bunch of people who are like this. Like the other day, I put out that video, the one that I've pinned right now, about what the hell is happening with Mumbai. I've explained everything in detail, and some people, some stupid people, are like, "You're just doing this as PR for yourself." What? What do I have to gain by doing PR for myself? I was just explaining my side of the things. If explaining yourself is branded as doing PR, I don't know what world these people are in from. It's just stupid. From recent games, what do you think are some groundbreaking things you have seen in games like NPC interaction or some other? I think hairs are being done pretty well. Hair simulation, because hair simulation is pretty difficult to master, and recent times I've seen some games that are doing hair pretty well. King says, sir, I've heard things like this game AI is so good. So those things are done by game developers, or they have taken help from AI engineers. It doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter how you build stuff. At the end, what matters is whether whatever you've built is playable or not. Uh, yeah, like some people have just built their careers hating on people, and I'm not talking about any particular uh, you know person over here. It's just, and just don't get me wrong, okay? Like, I'm not hating on anyone. I'm just saying that I put out my story, and if what happened at 15 minutes, what happened Dynamite Temple, where at 15 minutes? भाई आप अंडू पंडू लोगों की ना सुनो, ये हेटफुल स्टफ बोलते हैं, बाद में खुद कहेंगे मैं तो स्टार्ट से सपोर्ट करता. That's true, yeah, that's true. That's true, destroyer. And I've seen that happen. You know what happens? The funniest thing, people write a very very bad comment, terrible comment, and I go and reply to that comment, and then they are like, "अरे यार मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था. I was just joking. I didn't mean it. You have my best wishes." It is so hypocritical. Like, if you're hating someone, just do it with your whole heart. If you're hating someone, take a stand. Don't be so spineless. It's just terrible. Why would you do that? Sorry, Zulay. Hello. My network got disconnected. That's why. Oh, nothing much. I'm just letting cursor do its stuff. Let's see what it has done in Unity. We are using cursor to build stuff in Unity, and in parallel we are also doing in okay. So there are boss controller, enemy data, boss spawn trigger. So let's implement a basic one, which is a boss spawn trigger. Create empty. I will boss spawn trigger component. Okay, we need a box collider. Is trigger added. Battle system. Create a battle system. Battle system has built a bunch of these stuff, so now I need to like go and read everything. Boss controller, so I can just pick any models and make it big. So this looks like a good boss. A good boss as in like a character that can qualify as a boss. If you just make the proportions as bigger than the character, it already looks like a boss. So I can place this one maybe over here like this, like 180, like so. I can boss controller. What else is here? Hmm, this will also have a. Let's see what this does first. It need not have a stealth cases. To be honest, I was kind of angry when Mumbai release was delayed, but now I'm learning game development and I understand how tricky and difficult it is. It becomes so sometimes so totally with you, sir. All the best. Thank you so much, stealth guy. Yeah, see, bunch of people who are you know not understanding or kind of hating or calling me a scammer or whatever. They inherently don't understand the game development process, which is okay. Like not everyone has to know everything, right? Proposing server options. What is happening over here? Is it ready? I think it is ready. We can test this out. No, it's not ready. Okay, let's just see what this battle system is. We have created this one over here. We can give it a reference to the battle system. Let me actually create a mesh filter cube and a mesh renderer component. We can keep it like this only. Let me just see what is happening in terms of when our character actually gets in contact with this. I don't see anything happening. Is it also because we haven't provided any references? Let me just read through this code once quickly. So start, hide panels, wire buttons. It has created so many things for me. I'm just added a complete. Okay, this is happening in parallel. Almost 29% of tokens are exhausted while building this. Okay, what should we do next? Uh, Let me check. Mm, mm. I think instead of giving it a completely detailed instruction, I should just go step by step. Otherwise, what's happening is it is doing a bunch of these things at once, and I can maybe call this boss one. Let's see if boss. What happens if I create boss? Let's have one boss enemy data. So this needs to have what the heck boss data. So boss data is of type enemy data, and enemy data is current boss. Okay, so I need to create a new object enemy data, and I need to drag and drop this over here. Okay, so this is basically boss rush. Okay, create asset menu, enemy data. Menu name boss rush enemy data. What is this? This has created an enemy data. Oh, sure. Create asset menu, file name, enemy data, menu name, boss rush, enemy data. Assets. Detect. Can someone help me over here? What is happening? I can't see boss rush option over here anywhere. Let me see. You yourself an Unreal developer? Primarily, I'm more into Unity, but I do know Unreal Engine. Uh, I'm a bit exhausted with this now. Server started. Let's open localhost 5173. Or I don't really need to open localhost. I can just do this. This is so frustrating. See, guys, this is the problem with AI at times. Like you want to build something, but sometimes it works, sometimes it does not. I think this was one of the days wherein it did not work, I guess. Even with fully AI, still take a lot of knowledge and time to make a simple game. I don't think still that powerful to take over jobs. Right click in the scene view or anywhere. Right click prefab. See, and it's not happening. That's the thing, man. With AI also, it takes time to create stuff. You need to know your stuff, basically. And I think the mistake that we did in today's session was that we let GPT create a full implementation doc and we gave it to Cursor to make it. Now, if this would have been an app, okay, a utility app, it would have worked properly. But just because it is a very basic game, uh, it doesn't work like that. All right, what I'm going to say is I will, okay, just because we have to build something today, I will delete this entire these folders. Okay, I will delete this as well, and I will say, all right, so I have deleted everything. Now just help me, just build a simple 2D boss rush mini RPG game with emojis. Use HTML, JavaScript and CSS for this, and make simple controls. Keep simple keyboard controls. Oh, creativity never dies. It's also about like knowing what to prompt to these AI models. It can still take web dev related jobs. So, Karan, I agree and disagree primarily because even if it does take, like, just think, uh, let's take very simple example of taxes. Okay, it is the month of September. A lot of people will be doing their taxes, filing their taxes, etc. Ideally, one can do taxes by themselves as well. But then why do people pay CAs and accountants? Because not everyone has the time to do that, right? So I look at it from a perspective that web dev jobs are going to be significantly easier with AI tools, because gone are the days when you have to like code everything or rely on frameworks like WordPress to do all of that. Now you can just prompt GPT to make a website. In fact, you know what, guys? We can do this one thing. Portfolio website. I will show you one very cool thing. Very, very cool thing. Okay. All right. Let's do this. All right, so I have my own website right now, which is nikhilmalankar.com. Okay, and this is built on this platform called Graphy. Okay, so basically Graphy is a platform wherein I can build like I can sell my courses, I can, you know, do like sell consultation sessions, etc. But it's a very basic website. It's not super polished. It doesn't have any interesting effects or so. So what I will do is I will tell, oh, again, it created the entire website for me in GPT itself. Never mind. Okay, I'll just say create a simple structure for a website for me that is going to showcase my portfolio. My name is Nikhil Malankar. Give me a nice structure with some good special effects and and what else? And nice transitions while scrolling. Let's see what this builds. Lifelong, you can check out the pinned chat. I have mentioned that over there. There's also the fact that GPT has a lot of data on web dev related code on GitHub compared to game devs in Unity. That's true. Yash Khatri, hello. I can see you. I can see you. Oh, it's still making that entire. I mean, I can see that it is building something interesting. Uh, and GPT has found data on me. Nikhil Malankar is an Indian game developer, entrepreneur, and educator. He leads. What is this? He leads Game Studios in Mumbai and creates content that helps aspiring game developers break into the industry. He also mentors students through small. Wow! It took my uh, entire profile. Wow. Okay, I can preview this. Wow. Whoa. Guys, it just this made my entire profile. This made my entire. I can download this and I can just. Whoa. Wow. It is like it has done. I'm I'm surprised. It has taken my highlighted projects. Like look at this Mumbai Gullies. It has taken Mumbai Gullies. It's kept over here. It has picked Hello Anxiety. It has taken my game development accelerator course. Wow, this is crazy. Why am I missing your chats? Yes, I'm not. I'm just involved in making stuff, in building stuff, because it is build something Wednesdays with Nikhil Malkar. So I might actually miss a few chats. So press your story. Oh, it's picked up my your story article as well. Wow. And Gaming on Studios, it has picked up uh, this as well. Gaming on Studios our team page. Go to home page. This is our website. Wow. I mean, this has proved that it can do web dev pretty well. Let's see what has happened with our boss rush game. Okay, so portfolio website. I'm super impressed. I'm actually thinking maybe I should replace my website like this. Oh, okay. WASD to move, mouse to look, enter rooms to fight. Okay, I can attack, 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 attack. I will increase my HP. Okay, okay. Attack, 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 attack. HP again. Attack, 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 attack. Defeat. Play again. Okay. I will add a bunch of stuff to this as an interface. Okay, so this is good, but display, attack, defend, and heal uh, values on screen. Also, The game lacks animations, so please add some basic animations for movement, defeating the enemy, and also change the information panel uh, during combat to make it more cleaner and nicer. Let's see what this does. Okay, so guys, but this website, guys, I mean, it is focus is open world indie publishing, Unity Unreal, bootcamps and mentorships, community and creator strategy. Currently building Mumbai release at Gaming Studios, publishing indie titles, running the game development accelerator program at Spawn School. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Okay, let's just see. Alright, this is great. Now help me add some visual effects and make the website more interactive. Color, uh, also make the also redesign the website to look a bit funky and add random animations as required. I know I'm asking too much for Cursor AI, but I mean it can do it, then why not? Manus AI is much better than this. You should check that out. I have heard about Manus AI. Let's see what's happening with Cursor. This is so cool, right? I can just multitask and do whatever I want. Manus AI. I haven't given this a try. So this is also an agent. What is the? Is there a pricing? Pricing? How much is the pricing? That's the most important. Basic is $16 a month. Plus is $33 a month. Pro is $166 a month. 300 refresh credits, 1,900 credits per month. One concurrent task, two concurrent tasks, two scheduled image. Oh wow, it has image and video generation. That is so cool. That is so cool. Okay, let's see. Website is under development. This is done. Okay, let's see what it has come up with. I don't think this is index.html. Oh, it didn't. Attack, defend, attack, attack. Okay, it did that animation. At least it did that animation. Uh, okay. I don't have access to my HP. I can't see my HP displayed on screen. Just add an HP bar on top of our character, and when health decreases, animate it instead of snapping it. Do the same for enemies as well. Okay, are you coming to IGDC? Javed, yes, I will be there. Are you coming to IGDC? How many of you guys are actually coming to IGDC? Let's start a poll. Are you coming to IGDC? Are you coming to IGDC? Yes or no? Let's see how many of you guys are coming to IGDC. And guys, there are 37 of you all watching, 81 likes. Let's see if we can actually hit 100 likes today for this live stream. You have also used those motion tracking suits. No comments. No comments as of now. What is IGDC? So for those of you who don't know what IGDC is India's, or rather South Asia's largest gaming conference, and it is hosted in Hyderabad every year. But this year it's going to be hosted in Chennai. It's going to be hosted on from 5th to 7th of November. So if if you're even remotely interested in game development, you should definitely come to this conference. And the website is still under development. Do you think that using AI as a new game developer or just a learner who's learning programming language reduces my own learning power? Tanish, it absolutely does. It absolutely does. It absolutely does because you know using AI just makes you completely relaxed, and there is no output that you can get while being relaxed. You have to apply your brains to it, and sometimes it just so happens that whatever AI builds for you, it's pretty crappy, at least like in for the output that we are getting today. It will become better with time, I'm pretty sure, but I think sometimes it just gives you crappy output. It's just how it is. Where the website is also under development. Is the game ready? Your game is ready. Okay, let's refresh. Oh, fantastic! It added health bars. Attack, defend, attack. Let's heal. Attack, attack, and choose upgrade. I'll choose HP. Attack, 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 attack. This is so easy. This is absolutely easy. Attack, 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 attack. Play again. Oh, this is no. It's not a lot of fun, but it is what it is. And the website is still under development. Let's see what it comes up with. I'm really excited to see what this will come up with, at least for the website bit. Should I not restrict myself to building just games in these live streams, because I think games require a lot of time. Should we just build general tech stuff? Like I'm good at, like, I wouldn't say good at, but I have a I have a good technical mind. What is that red dragon tab? Red dragon tab. It is just the keyboard that I was trying to find for you guys. So you can find it in the shopping section, the keyboard that I am using. Have you played Gris? I have not played Gris. Can you play your old developed games as fun and display your way of thinking while developing those games? I would love to do that, Lightwing. I would love to do that. I will have to see. See, most of those games are on mobile phone. Uh, but if you're interested, I actually made a video on this. Games developed by me in the last 12 years or so. So I will actually show you that video. You can check that out. Uh, it's a little bit, yeah. So games made and launched by me in the last 12 years. I've put out two videos, one and two. You can check this out. I would love to play those games. The only issue is that they are on mobile phones, so I don't know how I will play them. You can check out these two games. Thanks, Lightwing. Is cursor ready? Okay, the website is ready. Let's refresh. What? Oh, okay. Need to go to my portfolio website. Oh wow! Whoa! Damn! Guys, just look at this website. Oh shit! Yeah, of course. Now I need to like input all my details, but wow, this is magical. This is magical. Again missed. Yash, I'm so sorry, brother. Yash Katre, why are you missing my chats? I read this one. Where else? What else have you typed? Yash Katre. You haven't typed anything, buddy. Okay, never mind. Alright, so this is done. Let's see what they've created for emoji boss fight. I didn't give any new instruction, right? Oh yeah, it is just that one. Okay, never mind, guys. Okay. All right. Before I end this session, okay. Oh, almost 70% of you guys are not going to IGDC. Wow, that's surprising. Uh, I will ask a question. Should I also develop non-gaming stuff and build something Wednesdays? So guys, I've just asked you guys if I should build non-gaming stuff in build something Wednesdays. We can kind of expand the portfolio and we can create some unique apps, websites, whatnot. Uh, I would love to do that because I think, you know, from a utility perspective, we can do a lot. We can create, you know, as you can see, websites, analysis platforms. We can create we can brainstorm ideas on what to build, and we can do that. Next stream when? Next stream will be tomorrow, Dynamite Gaming. I'm going to do streams every day at the same time, 11 p.m. So 11 to 12 are going to be uh, you know these live streams. Okay, guys. So you guys can quickly vote. Abhishek Chaudhary says, "Have you watched trailer of 007 James Bond game by IOI Interactive? Now just PlayStation held a separate state of play that if you have time, please see that." I haven't seen that, Abhishek. Is that basic roguelike that you're trying to make? Yeah, I mean, it's not particularly what I had imagined it to build, but it just built out a small thing for me. No, okay, never mind. But I like the website that GPT built for me. It just gave an entire thing. Let me give the same prompt to GPT and see what can be done. Let's see what GPT does. I like the process of creating games and websites. Yeah, right. I mean, we can build websites, we can build apps, we can build games, anything and everything. The world is ours. It is modifying everything now. Oh, it is rewriting everything. So once this is done, then we will end the stream for the day, guys. But I hope today was fun. I mean, it was a lot of fun for me. I love building and I love talking to you guys. So this was nice. And I think today we have relatively more audience than my regular stream. So it was nice to see you all over here as well. Okay, so majority of you guys have said I should also develop non-gaming stuff and build something Wednesdays. So taking that advice, I will actually build some non-gaming stuff as well. For which like I'll take suggestions from you guys on what to build, you know. So we can try doing that. We can like every Wednesday we will develop something new. So just to keep the variety. ब्रो क्या कॉपी चैट जीपीटी से कॉपी पेस्ट करके गेम बिल्ड कर रहा है कुछ और क्रिएटिव कर भाई इतना टैलेंटेड बनता है आई एम जस्ट डूइंग दिस फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट it's just build something Wednesdays. It's don't take life so seriously lifelong. You know your our life is not that long, so please don't take things so seriously. Just a 33 hello. Sir, I want to know. I'm trying to develop a game. My plan is to first watch beginner tutorials, then learn blueprints, then try to master this. Make a game. Is it a good plan? Can you suggest? That's a good plan, Dolfido. And I think that is something that you need to do. We want everyday stream. Yeah, Dynamite Gaming. I will be streaming every day. Like I have themes set out for my live streams. So tomorrow is going to be a gaming stream. So Thursdays are dedicated for gaming. क्या बना रहे हो context. Saurabh, earlier we were making a game and now I'm just building my personal portfolio website. So I just gave a prompt to GPT to scout information about myself and build a basic website. Then I told GPT to create something funky. So it is doing that now, and it's almost done. So it should be ready almost any time now. You're most welcome, Classy. King Boy says, sir, can you explain in next video or now, like from basic games NPC to advanced game NPC life, or there are interactions? I will explain it in the next stream, King Boy. But could you reframe the question? I didn't really understand the question properly. So let's preview. Okay, it has created something. Let's download this and see. Okay, want to collaborate? Reach me on nikhilmalankar.com or follow me on socials. Okay, built with funky animations, toggle effects with the funk mode. What is funk mode? Toggle effects with the chill mode. I don't see any difference in the funk mode or in the chill mode. Anyway, but I think it's okay. I think it's completely fine. So guys, this was it for Build Something Wednesdays. Every Wednesday we will try to build something. These can be games, these can be apps, these can be any website, whatever. All right. So we'll try to build something interesting, and that's pretty much it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Hope to see you guys tomorrow again. I will be live every day at this exact time, from 11 p.m. to 12. And what else? I will not be streaming on Saturdays and Sundays. Those are the days I'll be keeping completely off. But I will be streaming Mondays to Fridays. So hope to see you guys over there. With that, I will say my mandatory outro dialogue. But before I do that, guys, whoever is watching right now, please hit the like button. I hope to see like 100 likes before I end the stream, and there are 22 of you guys watching. So if you guys just hit the like button, we might be able to reach a target of 100 likes today. But anyway, guys, that was it for today's stream. I hope you enjoyed the stream. If you did, hit the like button. If you're finding my channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on my next content. My name is Nikhil Malankar. I'm a game developer by profession, and I make content around games and game development on my YouTube channel. Uh, Through this entire live stream, I tried to build something today. And if you liked this video, do share it as well and keep coming back. And then I have a special outro reserved for my live streams every single time. Before you go to sleep, don't forget to brush your teeth. It's very important to take care of your teeth as well as your health. So take care, guys, and see you in the next stream. Until then, take care, and I love you all.